"60 laps of Spears Manufacturing Modified Series."
Green flag. Through turns 1 and 2, they stay side by side for the top spot. It is Guevara with the advantage into turn number 3.
Guevara with that lead, but he washes wide. Is he going to hold on
Trouble
to it?
in turn number 4. The number 7 machine, Ray Moras, goes for a spin. A couple drivers needing to avoid. We stay green for now, but that car has not fired. Watching the flag man, and I think they're going to have to throw it. Yellow flag, lap number 1 at Kern County Raceway.
Reacted to the green flag. The Liuna Feel the Power restart.
The field barrels into turn number 1. On the outside, here comes the 25 machine. Giannini has already worked his way up to the 4th spot.
Thurkettle with that outside look on the lead and not able to get it done. He's now going to look to the inside. Giannini getting by Sloan.
Guevara, we questioned, is it going to be an issue with him starting on the inside? But that 55 is hooked up, and he is still holding on to the lead here. All these drivers sorting out who is going to be the leader. 53 laps to go in this race, and Thurkettle again door to door and gonna take the top spot. No, Guevara says not yet.
Does it now.
Thurkettle
out of turn number 2.
Thurkettle said too bad. These drivers close in. One driver just actually stopped over in turn number 2, and it is gonna bring out the yellow.
We'll talk more about it in a minute as they come out of turn number 4. Green flag flies as the RPMs rise. We're racing here at Kern County Raceway. Back up to you guys.
The field barrels it down into turns 1 and 2. Down the back straightaway they go, and we're still settling positions out. As Thurkettle, our leader, Guevara 2nd, Giannini in 3rd. Some contact into turn number 1. The 29 machine of Sam Jacks. Looked like he got into Vossen in the 10, and around the 29 car went.
At Kern County Raceway. Once again, green flag is in the air, guys. Back up to you.
17 laps in, green flag back out over the field. Thurkettle going to take advantage once again on this restart. They're side by side for the 4th position.
Chris Dalton in the 13D. Oh, it's getting tight there. The inside of the 19 of Sloan. And like you said, Jeffrey, that's a battle for 4th, but Giannini is not done.
Into the back of Guevara. The 55 machine gets sent and into the wall. As we get ready for the restart, lap number 19.
Sloan getting by Dalton. Gets that spot back and moves up into 2nd.
We got a lot of jostling for position, mid-pack on back. A lot of drivers trying to take advantage of these moments, including that 25 now. Giannini has a healthy car trying to work his way through the field. Remember, he started 8th in this race and within 3 laps have made his way up into the top 4. Now he's going to have to do it again as drivers have settled into how their cars are driving. Giannini working that outside line, and trying to follow him through was the 55 of Guevara, but that car obviously not handling as well as it once was. Together and give him another opportunity to make quick work on these restarts. In front of him, Vossen with trouble in the number 10. Just held on to it, but he did clip that outside wall. Kyle Jacks is under pressure from the 25 of Giannini, who continues to climb his way through the field.
To the inside, he was passing him on the outside a few laps ago. Giannini, he's trying to claw his way back.
I was going to say, after he gets by this, it's going to be quite the climb and not a lot of laps to do it for Jaron. But he's going to work that outside line. He's going to get right on by. Nope, Dalton's still going to put on the pressure. Giannini up to 3rd after restarting in the back of the pack.
But he needs all the help he can to get up the third kettle. But that 25 is flying.
It is. Is it a legitimate strategy to go to the rear? So Holly going to make the move into turn number 1, looking to get her number 17 machine into the top 5.
Inside, out of turn number 2, Jax almost clipping that wall. It looked like he was doing everything he can to avoid, but give the 17 some racing room so that the 17 wouldn't slide up. But yeah, this is a battle here, side by side.
Now let me know as soon as this battle finishes up, because as they stay side by side, they're going to be dealing with some lap traffic.
Ooh, Kuhnfield there in the 25.
Well, we are at that point. The white flag is in the air, and it is for Travis Thurkettle in the 5T. Now, as he takes the white flag, we do have one car slightly off the pace. It's going to be able to continue on, however. Travis Thurkettle dominates here at Kern County Raceway. The checkered flag belongs to him.
We can hear you now. Travis Thurkettle dominates here tonight at Kern County Raceway.
Definitely, you said the right thing, team. We're winning with the notebook right now, and there's no better in the business at the notebook than my dad, and I want to dedicate this win to him. Happy Father's Day. Every race he's been to this year with us and helping, we win. I mean, doesn't take much to figure that out.